Alright, so in this video I just wanted to show you how you can add channel guidelines to your comment section and stuff. It's kind of a cool feature that they added. It did take a long time for it to get to me, so that's why I'm making the video now, because like they made this like however long ago and they started like slowly adding it to people's channels, and then yeah, I didn't get this until however long ago. So yeah, anyways, you're gonna want to go to your channel like dashboard thing here. Usually you can get to it on desktop, because I think this is only available on desktop. I don't think there's on mobile. Like if you go on the dashboard app on mobile, like I don't think it shows up. But I guess if you're gonna do it on mobile, you have to go on into like Chrome and go to the channel dashboard that way and mess around with it that way. But yeah, you want to go to your channel icon in the top right corner, and then there should be a button that says Channel Studio or whatever, and then you go to here through that. And then once you're here, you want to go down here where it says settings, and there's a little gear icon. It is slightly cut off, but you can still see it says settings. But you want to click on that, and then you want to go to community moderation, and then it says channel guidelines here. If you don't have it, then the channel guidelines button won't be there, but if you do have it, then it will be there. It should be the third one here, because it says content controls, user management, and then channel guidelines. And then, yeah, you can set the tone for the conversation on your channel, and you can add up to 3. I wish they had more. There's a button to, I guess, still add more, but maybe they're just gonna do 3 for now, and then maybe in the future they'll add more, but for now it's just that. That's just 3, and then you can have only 2 or 1 if you want. So yeah, anyways, so that's just mine, so whatever. But yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. I guess that's all there is to it. Again, if you don't have it there, then I guess they haven't added it to your channel yet, and you're just gonna have to like wait for it. I had to wait quite a while for it, and I like really wanted it, but then I just never got it until now. So yeah, now I'm like, hopefully the comments will be better on my channel now with that there as a reminder for people. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's it for this video, so bye.